Welcome to KanmaCan Fitness. Welcome to KanmaCan Fitness. Want a stronger core without getting down on the mat? This 10-minute standing core routine will help you feel taller, more stable, and more in control. No forework, no jumping. Grab some space and we'll start with standing elbow to knee crunches. Standing elbow to knee crunches. Hands lightly by your temples. Bring one knee up and twist your opposite elbow toward it. Then alternate sides. Stay tall through your spine. Pull the belly in and move at a controlled, steady pace. Use a smaller range of motion if balance feels shaky today. Keep your core tight and breathe smoothly. Single leg balance hold. Shift your weight onto one leg. Lift the opposite knee slightly in front of you and keep your chest up. Stare at a spot in front of you. Keep your core braced and let the standing leg do the work. If you need support, lightly touch a wall or chair. Switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Halfway. Slowly change legs and find your balance on the other side. Side bends. Hand slides down leg. Level 1. Smaller range. Think long through the side of your waist. No crunching forward, just a smooth side bend. Move gently and stay in a comfortable range. Keep the ribs stacked over the hips and feel that gentle stretch through each side. Switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Standing wood chopper. Start with hands together above one shoulder. Then pull down across your body toward the opposite hip, rotating your torso. Let the core drive the twist, not the arms. Hips follow slightly, but keep your front knee soft. Level 1 is a smaller, slower chopping motion. Good mornings. Feet hip width, hands light on your hips or across your chest. Hinge forward from the hips with a flat back, then stand back up tall. Push your hips back like you're closing a car door. Slight bend in the knees and keep your spine long. Squeeze your glutes and brace your core as you return to standing. Move slowly, stay in a comfortable range, and focus on control over speed. Round complete. 60 seconds rest. Walk it out, sip water, and reset. Round 2 starts soon. Round 2, same circuit. Focus on control, not speed. Round 2 begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Stand tall for a second and notice how your core and balance feel now compared to when you started. If this helped your posture, hit like, comment balance done, save this video to repeat during the week, subscribe for more beginner-friendly anywhere workouts, and go straight into the next video in this series using the playlist on your screen. Get strong, subscribe, and watch this next workout.